pyramids and cones, you have volume equal to 1/3 BH. So the name of pyramid and cone is according to the shape of the base. If the base is pentagon, the pyramid is called pentagonal pyramid. So generally, for the right circular cone, the area, lateral area equals to 1/2 CL or equals to pi RL. But for the right rectangular pyramid, volume equals to 1/3 BH, like this one, 1/3 BH. So for example, diameter of the base of cone is 16 meters and the height is 6 meters. So base equals to 8 meters. And you have h, the height is equals to 6 meters. So from this figure, h, r, and l, you have that one. L square is equals to r square plus h square, or equals to h square plus 6 square. Or simply your L becomes 10 meters. If you have to solve this one becomes 10 meters. But this one is letter A for in terms of meter, but for the letter B in terms of feet, so your L equals to convert 10 meters times 3.28 feet per meter. So you have that one equals to 32.8 feet. For the letter C, L equals to 32.8 feet times 12 inches per 1 foot, or simply you have equals to 393.6 inches. So for the number 2 here, solutions would be finding the surface area of a right circular cone of radius 4 meters and slant height 8 meters. For letter A, there's a solution. For letter A, express in meters squared. So you have that one. Lateral area. So lateral area here would be equivalent to 1/2 CL, or equals to pi RL, or simply for the letter A equals to pi times 4 times 8 equals to 32 pi meters squared, equivalent to 100.53 meters squared. For letter B, in terms of feet squared, just multiply that one. You have 32 pi meters squared times 3.28 square feet square all over meter squared, or simply equivalent to 1081.55 feet square. For letter C, convert that one. So LA equals to 1081 1081.55 times yard, you have that 1 yard over 3 feet. So one should be squared, since this one is feet squared. So your answer here would be 120.17 yards square. For the next part here is a chocolate shaped like a square pyramid of side 4 inches. So pyramid side is this one is 4. So this one is 4 inches. Square. So this one is 4 inches. Height of 10. The height here is equivalent to 10 inches. So find the volume. So volume equals to 1/3 base times height, or equivalent to 1/3 a square times the height, equivalent to 1/3 4 square times 10. So you have this one, 53.3 inches cube. Right. Determine the curved surface of a right circular cone of radius 4 feet. So solution here. Curved surface of right circular cone. So surface of a circular cone. So you have that one. Your R equals to 4. So R is equals to 4. Your slant height L is equals to 8 feet. 4 feet. 4 feet. This one is 8 feet. So your lateral area would be equivalent to pi RL equals to pi times 4 times 8 equals to 100.53 feet square. This one. Student was building conical container whose base area is 21 inches square and height is 8 inches. So find the volume. So your solution here is equivalent to volume equals to 1/3 BH. So volume equals to 1/3 area of the base times height, or simply equals to 1/3. Your base area is given to be 21. 21, your height is given to be 8. So go direct, you have that one, 56. This one is inches cube. 28 inches cube, or 56 inches cube. So the slant height of conical fuel tank is 26 inches. And the curved surface area is 600. So find its volume in letter A, feet cube. So solution. So that one is on feet cube. So volume equals to 1/3 BH. So equals to 1/3. So this one is capital B, meaning the base area 1/3 base area times H. But your area here, your area equals to pi RL. Pi RL, or you have that one, you have 600 equals to 3.41016 times R times L. Your L is given to be 26. So your R from this figure equals to 7.36 feet. So your H there, your H equivalent to square root of 26 square minus R square, equivalent to square root of 26 square minus 7.36 square. Your H should be equivalent to 24.5 meter. So volume equals to 1/3 base times height, equivalent to 1/3 pi r square. You have that 1 pi r square times the height, or equivalent to 1/3 times pi times 24.96 equivalent to 14.56 feet cube. So this one, calculate the volume per cone if the height is 14 centimeter and the radius is 8 centimeter. So your solution will be this one. Volume equals to 1/3 times pi r square times, of course, the height, equals to 1/3 times pi times 8 square times 14, equivalent to 938.29 cubic meters. So this one, what is the surface area of a cone with radius 6 meters? Radius 6 meters, length height is given to be 10. So surface area, so your solution for the surface area equals to surface area equals surface area pi RL plus pi r square, equivalent to pi times 6 times 10 plus pi times 6 square. It is equivalent to 301.59 meters square. So find the volume of a cone with radius 5 centimeter. So radius here is 5 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. So your solution will be this one. Find the volume. So volume equals to 1/3 pi r square h equals to 1/3 pi is 3.1416, so r squared is 5 times the height here is 8. So your volume would be 628.32 centimeter cube. So this one, the base of the tent is a square, is 1. The base of the tent is a square of side 30 inches, so 30 there. And the height of the tent is 40, given height. So what is the volume? So of that one, solution. Volume equals to 1/3 base times height, base equals to 1/3 times 30 square times 40. It is equivalent to 1,200 or 12,000 inches cube. So a rice hopper is in the shape of an inverted pyramid. 20 meters if this one is 20 meters, the height is 20 meters deep, and 8 square meter the top. Letter A is determine the volume. So volume equals to 1/3 base. So volume equals to 1/3 base times height. So equivalent to 1/3. Your base is 8 square times your height is 20. So this one would be equivalent to 426.67 cubic meters. So for letter B there, total surface area equivalent to 1/2 times perimeter times length, slant height plus your base area. So equivalent to 1/2 times 32 times your length plus your base area plus base area. So this one is equivalent to your L, but L is equivalent to square root of 20 square plus 4 square is equivalent to equals to 20.39 inches. So total surface area equivalent to 1/2 times 32 times 20.39 plus 8 square. So equivalent to 390.29 meter square. So the next slide.